What are the rights guaranteed during custodial investigation of RA 7438? First is right to counsel. The person has the right to competent and independent counsel of their choice. If they cannot afford one, a lawyer must be provided. Next is right to be informed of rights. They must inform of their rights in a language or dialect that they understand at the time of arrest and before the questioning. Next is right to remain silent. They cannot be compelled to testify against themselves for the protection against of self-incrimination. Next is right against torture, force, or violence. Any use of threats, intimidation, coercion, or violence to extract a confession or information is illegal and inadmissible in court. Next is right to confidential communication with counsel. The communication between the person and their lawyer must be private and confidential. Next is right to visit and confer privately of any member of their immediate family or medical doctor or priest chosen by their family. Next is right to notify family or relative. If the person has the right to have their family, relative, or friend notified of their situation immediately after their arrest or detention. And lastly is right to pre-assistance. Indigent persons under custodial investigation must be provided fine and competent legal assistance.